Hello friends, welcome to the Angular 8 tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn what is router redirect and how we use this router redirect in Angular 8. And apart from this, we will learn what is wildcard and the child root and how we use both the things in the Angular 8. So in the previous tutorial, we learned about the outlet and the router link. So basically the use of both is like to show the link, and when we click on the link it should navigate to the respective component and show on the browser. So if you didn't go through the last tutorial, I recommended you please go to last tutorial and see how we create the outer route outlet and the router link. So in this tutorial, first we will see what is router redirect. Like when we launch to a application, we see a default page. Like I'm going to, there is a requirement of my application, like when I redirect to the my application, first it should show the login page. So to do kind of scenario, we use the router redirect. So like we will see how redirect user to desired URL path or component using router, and how to deal with not found pages. Actually these things, this page not found is we do using the wildcard path, that will understand in a bit. And so for doing the redirect, this is the basically syntax to doing that. Like we give the path as the empty, and we give the component like a component name, like which desired component you want to go at the first time, and we give path match as the full. So basically all these things we do in the app.routing.model. So let's go to the Visual Studio Code and see how we do this. So in the previous application, we created two components like about us and the contact us, and we configured all these two in the app.component.html here. And when we click on these two, we are going to the respective component or respective HTML, and we achieve this as the dynamic router. Also we created dynamic router, and we saw this functionality as well. So let's save it first and see what it is showing using the first application. So we have compiled it. Now go to the uh, page, and we can see like in the previous application we added two link like about us and contact us, and we created one button. When we click on the about us, we can see it is showing about us page, and when we click on contact us, it is showing contact us is calling. And by default we given for the button like contact us only. Like we were checking one application, we were checking in the here we were passing here about one, and on the component page we were checking if it is about, then load the about page, otherwise contact page. So based on that it is showing it. So now see, when I redirect to this application, like default port is the 4200, when I redirect to this, we can see on the page it is not showing any pages by default like about us or contact us. But my requirement is when I land to my application, by default it should show about us page to us. So that is my requirement. And how we achieve it? We can achieve it using the redirect, routing redirect. So basically, so doing that operation, what we have to do, we have to go to the app.routing.model, and here we have to set it like path, we have to set it as a empty, and then we have to give the component name. And the component name, what I want by default, I want about us component by default. And later we have to give the full path match. The path match we have to give as the full. Like what application do, when application Angular 8 application launch, it come to the routing model, and in this routing model it check first that like if any path is with empty, if any path is empty, it take it first and load at the first time. So let's save it and see on the browser. At the first time it should show about us component or about us HTML. So we can see when we see here, like when I land to this application, it is by default showing about us page. Like if I close this and land to this page, see we can see like it is showing about us page first time, and when we click on contact us it is showing as expected. So that is all about the router redirect in the Angular 8. Like default page, if we want to see at the first time, we do using that router redirect. Now the next comes that is wildcard path. Like suppose when we are going to, we have given one URL on the browser, but that URL doesn't exist, then we have to show one message like page not found or any customized error we want to show, then we use the wildcard path. So for specify wildcard path, what we do, we give double star in the path, and then we give the component name, like in which component you want to which component you want to show. Like what this is a page not found component, it's a created component, and we can write anything to this component and we can show on the browser. So let's see this wildcard. So go to the Visual Studio Code, and what I will do, I will create a component. So go to the terminal, and here I will create one component like NGGC, and I will give the component name like page not found. So when I will create this component, it will create 4-5 files for us. We can see here it created a component like page not found. So in this HTML page not found, what I will do, page not found wrong URL is given. So that is our customized message when any page doesn't found. Now what I will do, I'll go to this routing model, and here I will set that component. So in the path, as I explained, in path we will give double star, and I will give the component name as like page not found component. So when we give this page not found component, we can see it is automatically added this file here also. So that is all about this wildcard. Now let's save it and see on the browser. So when we go on the browser, by default it is redirect to the about us page. Like if I give like about us page 1, because it doesn't exist, and when I enter to this, and we can see it will redirect in some time. It is not redirecting. Let's see what wrong we did. Okay, basically we didn't serve this application after adding this, so we have to serve it first. So it will compile the changes, and then we'll see on the browser. So first let's go to the normal only about us, and it will load to that page. So after compiling, we will see this these changes, it will reflect there. So it is compiling. So it's compiled successfully. Now let's see on the browser, and we can see by default it is coming to about us. Now if I give the wrong URL here, and we can see like page not found, wrong URL is given. So that is basically we did using the wildcard path. So in the wildcard path, if we give the double star and the component name, the thing which you have to remember, like we can't give this wildcard at the first time. Suppose if I give wildcard at the first time, then what will happen? It will not able to access about us and contact us page. Now let's save it and see on the browser. We have to give comma here, save it and see on the browser. Now like at the first time it will give the like I'm going to redirect the correct page, but it will give the page not found, wrong URL is given. So basically it is used to remember, like always use this wildcard path at the last only. So let's save it again, see on the browser. So it will by default it will land to about us page, and if I give anything wrong like ms enter, it will say like page not found, wrong URL given. So that is about basically using the wildcard path. Now the next concept comes child root. So like if we want to call a component from a click on a component, then we call it as a child root. What is the meaning of basically this is like I am landing to a about home page, and from this home page I want to call the another component. So in that kind of scenario, how this URL will be, this URL will be in that case like home, and this home we are calling to the about, we are calling to this about. So that kind of scenario like about it, about us is basically child of this home. So that kind of scenario is called child root. So let's create a child root and we'll see how it works. So go to the Visual Studio Code, and here what we will do, first we will create a one component called home. So go to the terminal and ng gc, and I will create component like home. Let's enter. So it will create one component name home. So we can see here like it created one component, and what I will do, I will remove it, these things like this is a root redirect and the wildcard path, or we will keep it like this, like if anything wrong we can see. Now what we have to do, when we call this home page, it should redirect to the home page, and then we will have a one link there called like about us or anything like contact us. Then we click on this, it should make URL like home and about us. So let's achieve this. So first we have to give the path. After giving this path name, I will what I will do now, actually what we want under this home, we want like other component should comes like, so what we have to take, we have to take children, and under this children we have to give the path. So first let's this one, so this path should complete. So what we will do first, like under this home path children should come, like any component should come under this home. So in that way we have to manage it. So what I will do, when I click on this home, first it should come default home page. So what we have to give path, and we can give empty comma and which component. So by default it should be a home component, then comma, and now what we want, like about us or a contact us page we want under this. So path, and we have to give the name like contact, in the single quotes we have to give contact us, comma, and we have to give the component name, so it will redirect to that contact us components. So that is done from this routing model page. Now what we have to do, after this we have to make a link on this component.html page, like we have a link for about us and contact us. Now what we have to do, we have to make a link for the home also. So what I will do, I'll copy this full and I'll paste it here. What I will do, I will make the home, as I explained how we create this router link. So in that way, like we added this path should match with this one. So I added, and here I will write home, and after this what next we have to do, like when I click this home, it should go to the, like on this home page it should show this contact link, and when I click on the contact us link, it should show under this home. So in the home HTML, what I will do, I will add the router link like a, and in this I will make a router link. L should be capital, and this should be like in single quotes. So in single quote, generally if we notice here we have given slash about us, but as now this contact us should be under home, so first we have to make like dot, then slash, then we have to write contact us. So this name again should match with this name, so I'll copy so it should not be any mismatch. So that is done with the configuration. Now let's save it and see on the browser. Like I can see on the browser, first time it is loading home page, and like if I click home, it is coming like home bugs, but it is not showing the link. Let's see why it is. Okay, we didn't give any name, that's why. Like what I will like, contact us. So now save it and again see on the browser. So we can see like contact us. Now we can see like it is showing page like home. When I click on contact us, see on the browser it will come under home. So if I click on contact us, we can see like it is calling contact us is calling, and we can see it is coming home under contact us. And again if I click on the about us, it will go to the about us page, and contact us it will show. But when I click on this home, it will come under home, and when I click on this contact us, it is redirecting home then contact us. So that is basically a child path we have given. So for creating this child path, again I will explain what we did. We like in under home I want some component, so what I will do in the path, I will add the path name, and then in under children I will give these component like under this path, and then children, then by default it will be the home component. Like this one we have to give first, the respective page we have to give, then which component you want, those we have to give the simultaneously. So and after this we created a link in the app.component.html, and after that in the respective home page we added the link, and this link will come under this home, that's why we added this dot here. So basically that is all about this child root. So in this tutorial we learn about the router redirect, then we learn about the wildcard path, and then child root. So that is about all these things. If you have any question or doubt, please comment. Thank you.